A fox and a crane lived in a jungle. The fox was naughty. One day, a fox invited the crane to his house for dinner. He gave tasty kheer in a plate to the crane. The plate was so flat that the crane could not eat the kheer. The next day, the crane invited the fox to his house for dinner. The crane gave kheer in a long necked jar to the fox. The fox could not eat the kheer. He said sorry to the crane and promised that he would never be naughty again.